The ClutchIt Magnetic Mount. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the ClutchIt Magnetic Mount. This is a versatile mount that can be used for mounting your mobile devices and tablets. The company sent this out for me to review. And as always, I provide my unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. This comes in 5 different colors. I have the black and space gray. Inside you get various mounting plates, a thick pair and a thin pair. You also get the user guide and alcohol cleaning pads for installation. This can be used to mount phones and tablets primarily, and it can be mounted pretty much anywhere that the metal plates can stick to. But ideally, this is perfect for your vehicles. The mount itself is metal and feels very solid, and it has some good weight to it. It does not feel flimsy at all. It has a rotating ball joint on each end that provides flexibility in mounting. And at each end you get a magnetic surface. And here you see the black version. It comes with 2 types of metal plates. You have a thin plate, which is used for your devices, and a thicker plate that is used on the surface that you will mount it on, such as your car dash. It has a 3M adhesive. It comes in at just under 3.5 inches long and about 1 inch wide. So here you see how the metal plates just stick to the magnet. You have the option of sticking the plate to your device or putting it in between the case. It's recommended that the case be no thicker than 1/8 of an inch. In this demo, I will just put it in between the case. As far as wireless charging, they recommend mounting it slightly lower and not in the middle, just to prevent any issues. And you can see it does not affect the case at all. It sits well inside. The magnet is very strong and it grips well. And making the adjustments is very easy. So let's mount it on a vehicle. You want to make sure the surface is clean and any oils from cleaners are removed so you get a good bond. Use the alcohol pad that is provided. And once the surface is clean, use the thick plate and press it into place. Once the plate is installed, you can then attach the mount. And you can see it's very easy to adjust, and you can adjust it to your desired angle. It feels very sturdy and the phone attaches with no issues. And you have the ability to swing it from portrait to landscape, or any desired angle. So my final thoughts on the ClutchIt Magnetic Mount. This is very good and it's a solid mount. It's easily operated by just using one hand. The only negative I see is the adhesive type mount. There are many that prefer not to stick anything on the dash and will opt for other alternatives. But overall, this is well built and it feels solid. It holds your devices securely and firmly into place. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.